playing, bro. I swear to God.
Yo, this is crazy.
What the fuck?
I really can't believe this.
We must have got the package at the same time, bro.
Yeah.
That twinsies. Hold on, chat. Let me take off before niggas say I start glazing. They say this, they gonna be like hot glazing. Gotta put on a different pants, chat. God damn, I know how y'all. They was not expecting you, bro.
What
I'm gonna get you
the? It's popping. Chat.
Hold on, I'll be right back.
Already. God. This nigga. Hey, bro, this man Chet don't got no wheels on it.